Lighthouse, VA's API management platform.
VA sits on a lot of data, a lot of very valuable data that our veterans trust us with, but also institutional data. We want to expose that in a more modern way.
People want to serve, they want to build things, and then government has this massive amount of data. So unlocking the power of that data to better serve constituents, it's a really good match.
Lighthouse is an API platform that we are building at VA to unlock data within the VA, veteran data, and make it easier for them to access their data and access the benefits that they're entitled to as a veteran.
With Lighthouse, developers can securely plug their applications into our APIs, like an electrical plug into a socket. The API then delivers tailored VA data, like claims information, to the app's users so they can digitally submit that claim. One powerful example of Lighthouse in action is the Benefits Intake API. VA received hundreds of veteran benefits and claim applications every day.
And about 65 to 80% of those applications currently come in via mail or via fax. We have a strategy for improving the ways in which we receive and process those applications, which includes moving towards a more digital intake process or a digital submission process.
Well, that's the whole idea of an API program, is that these external developers will be able to build applications that we might not have even thought of by using our APIs and data claims.
We're excited in two areas going forward. One is to see how people take those building blocks, each of those APIs, and create new and innovative applications. The other area that we're really excited about is bringing on other API teams within VA.
We'd be able to scale our program. We want to ensure that what we're building is going to serve a veteran's needs directly and completely. And I just thought, this is how lucky am I to come in and be able to work on this, to contribute to something that people have already spent a lot of time and effort kind of getting off the ground.
If you want to work in a cause you care about and have an immediate impact, this has been the greatest 4 years of my career.
Wow.
It's been amazing. I feel very lucky.
Join us today and head to developer.va.gov to get started with our APIs in Lighthouse.